All components are made up of data, whether it's data from your spreadsheet or database, or data that you input manually to customize the interface of your app. When you select a component for your Glide project, the first element to customize will always be data. This is where you select which data the component should use when building this part of your app. You'll also see places where you can add text to the component, like a title, subtitle, or words for emphasis. You can add images, embed web pages, and much more. If your data source is connected, you can pull this information from the data editor. If not, you can manually enter the data that you want to use, whether it's text or images. Some components like form elements and barcode scanners allow users to submit information to you, rather than view information that you already have. In this case, the data setting will ask you where it should put the data when it's submitted. For a complete list of possibilities for each component, visit our components documentation library.